I think just like LED X3 headlights, like 9 series. Obviously headlights in there, it's a bit tight in there. You can see it in there. You see that little steel like bracket here. So to take out the old one, you just got to push that like bracket down, and it comes like out of a little like clip under there, and that'll pop it out. So the first thing you do when you're taking the old one out is you pull the plug out, you know, that'll just come out the back, and then it's got a boot on it. Pull the boot off, like this will just come off, and then the actual light like sits in with this little like steel clip, so just push it down. You can see it's clipped in again now, and then to pop it out, it just pops out. And this was the old bulb here, you can see, and this is the new one about to go back in. So the only thing you do notice with our ones is you do want it cupped down, because you want to follow the same style the old ones are in. So the old ones are in like this, so we want to put ours in the same way, like that. Otherwise, if you don't do that, you can throw the beam a little bit strange. You'll be able to see if you do it up close against the wall anyway. Now if you get your car wet, as in headlights under the water, we have to cut the boots, and there's a fan on these, so these won't be with you. We don't have a heat sink range yet, as the fan range is just much better. But if you do dunk your car, you'll want to keep the boots, and you'll probably almost want to run heat shrink ones or something a bit different. So for us, we actually have to cut the boot a little bit to fit it in. It just depends how serious you are and how deep you go. So we're going to chop this little boot out like a little bit, so you just like pop it through, trim off a little bit with some scissors, so you can obviously fit the fan part through. Then we'll the plugs just like sort of match, so we like plug that in, and then we'll go from there. So I just powered this one up to explain what I mean about like placement. So this is like low beam on the moment, so it's only their front filament on, and you can see the cup stops light going down. So when you put our one in, you want it to like match that. So we've got a cup on the bottom too, so it's an H4 bulb, so it does the same thing. So your placement I want to be in the same way that the factory one was in. So put the boot over, plug it in, bulb's there. We will go and put it in. Actually, once it's in, you can actually twist our ones. If you twist them too far, you can see that screw will actually put a hole there. But once it's in, you can actually adjust it to get that cup at the bottom there. So we'll go and slide this in. Now it can be a bit tight, come from the bottom, come up and in. So everybody can see that's all put in there. It's not that hard to get in, just come from an angle and slide it in. And then in the front here, you can see if you twist it, you can see that I've got my cup down the bottom, and it's all in a straight angle like that with the cup in the bottom at the front. That's basically it. Slide a boot on, and that's the install done. I'm sorry, I actually just trimmed that boot there. I didn't show that part, but yeah, just like I said, you do need to trim the boot, and that's on, and that is all in. And that's about how easy it is. So you don't even need to take out anything. The only thing is they are fan, so the boot doesn't need to be trimmed. Again, if that's an issue, don't use fan LEDs. Fan ones are just the best because they keep the heat off them though, and they last the longest. So that's that. So there you have it all installed. Do look a lot better than your sort of yellow lights, and the performance, a lot better. I'll wait till you see it. Still, it's not too hard. You don't have to take anything out to put them in.